This is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, November 4th, 2013. My name is Jeffrey Cote, and this briefing will cover the weather for the upcoming week over the inland Northwest. As always, forecasts are subject to change, so please check our website periodically this week for the most updated forecast. The upcoming week looks active. The systems with broad impact come late tonight and Tuesday, and Wednesday night and Thursday. We are watching a possible third system for the weekend, but it may have more localized impacts. The first system comes in late tonight and Tuesday. Arriving from the northwest, this is the weaker and colder of the two main systems we will talk about in this briefing. Light precipitation is expected to develop in the Cascades overnight, spreading across the remainder of Washington Tuesday morning and reaching Idaho by late Tuesday morning to midday. At the start, snow is mainly expected, though we could see a rain-snow mix in the deeper Columbia Basin and Wenatchee area. By afternoon, a rain-snow mix is expected, especially over Washington south of I-90. All snow or a rain-snow mix may linger over the remainder of the region, especially over Idaho and the northern mountains. Accumulations are generally expected to be light, at less than an inch in the valleys, and 1 to 3 in the mountains. The next system comes in from the west Wednesday night into Thursday. The leading warm front lifts in Wednesday night into Thursday morning, with a milder air keeping this a valley, rain, and mountain snow event for most. The exception will be towards the Canadian border counties, where precipitation may start off as snow. However, the precipitation is expected to be mainly light. The cold front pushes across the region on Thursday, and, with a milder air and better moisture tap, this is expected to bring a moderate precipitation event. The system will begin to exit Thursday night, but moisture wrapping around the system and the northwest flow will keep precipitation chances going through Friday, especially in the mountains. For the most part, snow amounts near pass level should be 2 to 4 inches, but we will have to monitor the northern mountains for possible highlights, especially above 4,000 feet. Looking into next weekend, models show another system pushing into the region. However, with regard to the placement of the primary precipitation shield, model disagreement is high. The 3 boxes here indicate 3 model solutions for where that precipitation will focus. As you can see, there is a wide variation. Some keep most of the precipitation near the Canadian border, and others keep most of it over northern Oregon through central Idaho. Right now, forecast confidence leans towards an average of the southern 2 solutions, which means possible rain-snow impacts for southern Washington and north Idaho. This will come into better focus as more data comes in. Here's a quick look at the 7-day trend. Temperatures generally moderate closer to normal, and precipitation chances remain in the forecast almost every day away from the lee of the Cascades and Basin. The outlook for next week is below normal temperatures for Washington and near normal temperatures for Idaho, with an above normal precipitation threat, with additional systems moving in. In summary, we are looking for a light snow Tuesday and valley rain and mountain snow overnight Wednesday and Thursday. Thanks and have a great week.